Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making some honey garlic roasted chicken as well as a simple potato dish. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so this is my chicken. This is actually a whole chicken that I cut in quarters and washed it, and now here we are. So I'm going to season it with spiced girl, and I'm going to be very liberal because this is the only time I'm really going to be able to season the actual chicken. So look at my spice, y'all. You missing out, y'all. I also added a little salt because you know my spice is low in sodium. I'm gonna make this simple potato dish. You're gonna need a lemon. I chose to cut my potatoes this way, but y'all, it does not matter how you cut your potatoes. That's a habanero that I chopped up right there. Took the seeds out, some onion, and some butter. So now you're going to pile it all into a pan. Like I said, cut the potatoes however you want. I'm going to season it with granulated garlic, Parmesan cheese, pepper, and throw it in the oven. Simple as that. So you want to season everything down, zest the lemon, the black pepper, just like I have it here. And then we're going to put the butter in here. And just pop it in the oven, cover it, and let it cook for about 40 minutes. And then, you know, I'll show you guys what it looks like right after that. I know somebody's going to come for me about this pan without a liner. But listen, I haven't been to the store. I haven't done nothing. I'm moving. I've been packing. I've just been so busy. My videos are delayed. It's just a mess, y'all. But bear with me. I'm just a mess. I'm all over the place. I know, girl. I know. Now we're going to work on the sauce. I have a whole entire bowl of garlic right there. You have butter and you have honey. This is all you're going to need for this sauce right here. Basic, simple. And this is why I say you really got to season your chicken in the beginning because, you know, this sauce is kind of sweet. It's savory too, but it's kind of sweet. You need about 3/4 cup of honey, a whole entire bowl of garlic, and a couple tablespoons of butter. Ooh, look at this chicken, y'all. So this is the chicken after about 45 minutes on 425 degrees. Of course, you want to check the internal temp to make sure it's cooked. You then also want to drop your oven to 350. So what I'm doing here is taking the pan juices from the chicken and putting it in the pot that has the honey and the butter and the garlic. Next, you want to add that same pot to the stove and heat it up for about 2 minutes. All right, so right here is the potatoes. I pull it right out the oven right at the end. Look at this, y'all. It's nice and tender too. The onion, y'all, don't leave that onion out because I put a lot of onion in there. You know, you guys will see if you make the recipe. It's really good. Then you just want to top it off with some more cheese and pop it right back in the oven. So as you can see here, the sauce is super thin, and that's what you want because it has to go back in the oven, and the oven is going to do the job. So don't be worried. You see I'm doing it. I'm showing you it's thin as hell. It look like water, but the oven is going to do its job. Okay, so this is it after it comes back out the oven after 10 minutes, and bam! Look at it. What I tell you. And the sauce been sitting in the pot. That's why it got thick. And the oven did its job. The chicken is golden, beautiful. The sauce is thick, and it's perfect. This is what the potatoes look like. That's also perfect. I know y'all sick of me. But I hope you guys enjoy these recipes. And yeah, this potato was so good, y'all. That lemon zest in this potato was really, really good. So this is the finished product. This is what my husband's plate looks like. He got a leg quarter, some potatoes, a simple salad, and woo-wee, some sauce from the pan, y'all. Some Swiss. Just ratchet. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and this video. I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.